Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert string to char array in Java. So in previous video we converted char array to string. In this video we will go just the opposite way. So it's a little bit different than previous video. So because of that we need to make this video that everything will be clear to you if you're struggling with that or you just learning programming. So we will start with the standard method. So method number one, using toChar array. So this is the easiest and most common way. So right here you will see we will use char array str.toChar array, and then you have some other outputs right over here. So if I run this code right here, we will see some progress. Just a moment. All right. Okay, so this is the first method. Then we have the second method for subranges. So using this one, get chars. This is the second method we can use. So if you need a specific portion of the string, you will use get chars. This is more memory efficient than creating a full array and then slicing it. Then the last one here, we will use get chars. So if you don't actually need an array but just want to loop through characters, you will use char at. So char array get char. This is sufficient when you want to copy a portion into an existing array. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.